Horseshoe Bend and on the way to the Four Corners Monument, northern Arizona. Coming up on the Four Corners Monument, we've got Utah, Arizona, Colorado, and New Mexico all coming together right here. The only place where 4 states come together. Different ones from each state here. People can have their picture taken in all 4 states here. Oops. So you can see I right now, I missed my step there, that was good. I right now I'm in Arizona. But there's New Mexico over there.
Ready? Yeah.
Utah's over there.
3.
And Colorado is just opposite side of me.
Thank you.
Would you be willing to do that for us?
Yeah, sure. Only if you take your mask off. Just kidding. You can keep it on. It's okay.
Utah, Colorado.
Well, I'm glad you said something.
That's the
Well,
spot
you
right
get so
there.
used to them, don't you?
Yeah.
But we want to see your smile.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Here. All right, stand in the middle.
Perfect.
And
One.
they're only standing in 2 of the states.
So.
I'm going to be standing in all 4 for my picture.
Get
Do
it?
you want to stand on all 4 of them?
I'm going to send that to our granddaughter. She's so
How do
excited.
you do that?
Just put 1 foot in each one.
You sold it. 1 foot in each.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
About all this.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Get your phone ready. I'm going to actually.
You're going to do the all 4?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, all 4 of them when I take a picture.
Here, here, Dan.
Border out in Arizona.
You want to do it all over again? No, I'm going to just do something with my feet here in a minute. It's done.
Oh, sure. There were no buildings.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Roll into the states.
Gotta get on all 4s.
I didn't get the seals.
4 states, and then here are a couple in here. Okay.
Oh, that's a good one.
One good phone here.
Okay, now Trudy, you gotta do it.
Okay, here we go, and money.
Let me just do one more.
Who's that?
You can see the states of each flag up here. Utah state flag. Of course, it's got the American flag back there as well. New Mexico flag over there. Arizona state flag over there. Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona. 4 states here meet in freedom under God. Looks like it's got the state seal of each state too.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this. U.S. Department of the Interior, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico. That's pretty cool. It's closing time, so I'm the last one here. Kinda cool.